All right, everybody, back here again for another one from Longshot Manufacturing. Again, empty. Now, you may have noticed, I grabbed the charging handle. You know what? I hate these charging handles. So, Jerry over there to Longshot sent me some new stuff. Let's get the gun down. We'll get these going. All right, take off the charging handle. Is real simple. I didn't have it torqued all the way down. You just spin it off. You have your actual tool. You can just put it in there. Otherwise, quick socket works good. Now, this, I believe this is 3 different sets basically. Try not to cut myself, because if you saw my other one, you see my war wounds right there. All right. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Oh yeah, see, okay. All right. You got your actual charging handle, and then you have 3 different ones to choose from. Now me, let's give the long one a quick done. Now you see it does use a Allen key, because you can't really get down into it when you get the big old gonna get the silver on here. All right. Look at that big old boy. All right. Oh, I like that. I like that one a lot. Okay, let's try out the other 2. Try not to laze my wife here. All right, take it off. Shove your Allen key back down in there. Pop it out. Let's try this bad boy. All right, back up. There we go. Ooh, that's nice. A lot nicer than the original. And last, but certainly not least, the plain Jane basic one. Oh, like a butter, like a butter. If you got a Hi Point, change out those charging handles. Go for one of these. Stylish, functional, works good. Talk to y'all here later.
Now the decision. Which one do you choose?
Exactly. See y'all later.